Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take a 263 HD traffic case apart in less than 10 minutes. 263 HD, 32 splines behind the 480 transmission, okay? I'm going to get my tools ready and then time is going to start running. Alright, I'm ready. So here I go. World breaking record and how to take it apart in no time. There we go. Start running. I'm going to put all the parts in here. I'm losing time. What am I doing? There you go. There, it's out. To the bottom. I'm behind like 30 seconds. Nobody moves. Listen. All right. Spring. There you go. Come on. Come on, don't make me look bad. It's looking. Get in there. We're getting there. Okay. There we go. Out. All right. Oh, grab the magnet. Magnet back up. Good. There. Done. Now, input seal, guys, please. All right, here we go. Push it down one side. There you go. Should be out. Ooh. Right here. There you go, it's out. Come on, please. Oh, wait. I already got out. Come on, seal. There. Awesome. All right. That one was the hardest one. All right. We have imperfect seal. You can look and fit. Then I'll use this one here. There we go. Woohoo! Got it. First try. There we go. Got the planet out. Left, one bearing, two seals. Right here. One bearing, two seals. There you go. Got it. Awesome. Get out. Seal. Now bring it out. Bearing out. Front output seal out. Out. What are they take off? Linkage. You never have to take it out. But if you want to take it out, we'll take it out. Don't make a complete teardown. Wait. I'm losing seconds. Right here. There you go. Awesome. It's out. Tap it in. Woohoo! Wait, not yet. This one's out. Case. This is out. So you can see better right here. All right. All right. Washers. Planet. Sun gear. Washer. Planet. Out. This one's out. This one's out. Out. Beautiful. There you go. Brackets. Everything is out. This one's out. Out. One piece. Nothing. You take anything out from here. Nope. There you go. Shaft. Seal. Wait right here. This one. Bearing needs to come out. There you go. Bearing out. There you go. Out. All we have left is the shaft. Take up it. Two bearings, one here. Snap bearings, one here, two here. That's it. Hey, one out. Out. This one out. Come on. Come on, come out, come on, come out, come out. There you go. Out. See, out. This one's, they come out. Complete out. One snapping on top. Oh, what's the one on the bottom? Oh, look at it. Cute. There you go. And I've got this out. This baby out. Come on, come on. Out, 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 out. Friction out. Outer race out. Inner race out. Bracket. Come on. Look. Bam. Snapper. Oops. Wait. I got it. Right here. Got it. Out. Bracket out. That thing out. This out. Wait. Where's the other place? Come on. There you go. Out. What's next? Everything's out. We got all this. Trying to put parts. Tools over here. Part over here. Yeah. One more, guys. One more. We got the bearing side. Snapping out. Come on. Come on. Snapping out. Ooh. Snapping out. Bearing out. Phone wheel out. Pump out. Woohoo. And shaft. Woohoo. Caught it. All right. There it is. Everything in pieces, guys. Everything in a billion pieces. That's how you put it apart. No time. Thank you guys for watching. This is a little crazy video, but I hope you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. All right, here we go. Thanks, guys.